Hello my dear Angeles, how are you? I hope you'll feel happy. Today in English lecture we have lesson 12 and the subject is sound. This is the picture of sound. Let us see what is the story. Wow, here is the teacher. Hello my dear teacher, hello my dear kids. Today we have sound. Before starting our story, let's see what is the picture. Wow, teacher, I can see a boy is playing with his drum, a dog and a cupboard. Yes, great. Let's get started narrating our story. It is afternoon. Darren is in his bedroom. Look, this is Darren. His cupboard is opened. Look, he has many toys. This is doll, train, puzzles, donkey, and bird, and many other toys. Oh, look! Darren's dog hides itself behind the cupboard. And look, this is the picture of dinosaurs. Darren plays with his drum, dum 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 dum, and makes the sound. Wow! Hello, Mr. Aladdin. He also in the sound wants to show many nice flashcards related to sound. Let us see. Oh, it is very big and it is very scary. It is dinosaur. Very good. Wow. It is gray and it has 4 legs. What is this? It is donkey. Great. Wow. You can tell me what is this house? It is and look at the bone. It is dog's house. Great. It is dog. Very good. Wow. Darren plays this one. It is yes, I can remember. It is drum. Excellent. Wow, it is very delicious and it is sweeting. It is donut. Great. Wow, it is very nice. It is just like a small girl. It is doll. Great. It is a bird. It has 2 legs, 2 wings, and it is covered with feather. It is duck. Excellent. Wow. For example, my dad is a, my mom is a, what is this word? Driver. My mom is a driver. My dad is a driver. Excellent. Look, I want to do a slide game. Look, this is slide and these are the flashcards. Look, this is donut. Yes, excellent. And the next one is drum. They are playing slide game. Donkey. Yes, great. Wow, I like this one. Dog. Oh my god, dinosaur. And duck. And the last one is doll. Yes, it was nice game. Really, I like this one. Thank you very much for your listening. Have a nice time. Bye bye.